प्रार्थना श्लोकेन आरम्भं कुर्मः। ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। हरि ओम। Astu. So we missed 2 classes. In those 2 classes, we learned a little about telling the time, and we talked about the plural forms. So if we say balakah gacchati, meaning boy is going. So how will we say in plural? It will be balakaha gacchanti. If you add inti, then it becomes plural. So I'm assuming everybody here knows Tamil. So the last sound will change, right? So paiyan poran and siruvargal pogindrargal. So that gal is inti. To understand, I'm saying. So, but I'm assuming that you have all seen the recordings of the previous 2 classes. Today we will go into something called dual. So Sanskritam has 3 vachanas, right? I have told you before, long ago. There is singular, there is dual, and there is plural. Plural means 3 or more. Today we are going to learn about dvivachanam. So starting from this class, it is going to go more difficult and difficult. So that is why I was telling you have to do your homework. So you have to do a lot of self-practice. Otherwise, it is not going to sit inside. It will look like new subject every time. So now dvivachanam might seem a little difficult, but everything with abhyasa becomes easy. Okay, so that is one thing. So now let's go back to the basic, and then from there we will pull our dvivachana. What is our basic? How many genders are there in Sanskritam?
3.
Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga. Now Pullinga, how many ending sounds we have learned? What are the ending sounds we have learned? We have learned. So can somebody say, Shri Ram Mahodaya, in Pullingam, what are the ending sounds we have learned? It's not aha. Rama means a.
Rama.
So Rama is a akaranta Pullinga Shabda. It's a Shabda which ends in the sound a. Then what are the Pullinga Shabda we have learned? Like Hari. Hari is a what ending sound? E. E. I can see you are saying Mahodaya, but you are on mute. So just remember. Yeah. So Ikaranta. So what is that? Ikaranta. What is Guru? Guru is an Ukaranta Shabda. So 3 ending sounds we have learned. What are the ending sounds in Pullinga Shabda? Akara, Ikara, and Ukara. So this is for Pullinga Shabda. For Strilinga Shabda, we have learned 2 endings. One is like Rama, Mala, Lalita, Balika. Okay. What is the other sound? E, Gauri, Pava Parvati, like that. And then in Napumsakalinga, we have. So how do Napumsakalinga words end? With the sound im, vanam, palam, patram, parnam, im. What is the ending sound in that? There? It is not im. It's not im. It's a. Vana is the root shabda. Root word. In Sanskritam, everything is the root. What is the root? From the root, everything is derived. So Vana is the root. Okay. Now we have learned only these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ending sounds only in three genders we have learned. Okay. Now, what is the plural form of Ramaha?
Ramaha.
Ramaha.
Ramaha. What is the plural form of Ikaranta Harihi?
Harayaha. Harayaha.
Harayaha. Harihi, Harayaha. What is the plural form Ukaranta word Guruhu?
Guravaha.
Guravaha. These are pulling words. Today we are going to learn its Dvivachanam. So when we say Ramaha, one Rama, Ramau, Ramau, 2 Ramas, Ramaha, many Ramas, 3 and more. Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. In Gurukulas and all, when they teach, no, they will say like this only. Akaranta Pullinga Rama Shabdaha, Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha, like that. So Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. So when I say Ramaha, one Rama, Ramau, two Ramas, Ramaha, three
Many
or more Ramas. Now for Harihi, Harihi, Hari, for two Haris, Harayaha. Harihi, Hari, Harayaha. It will sound difficult because I'm telling you many things. More abhyasa is necessary. Everything will be a easy piece of cake to. So no problem. So Harihi, Hari, Harayaha. Okay. Then Ukaranta word is what? Guru. Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha. Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha. One Guru, two Gurus, three or more Gurus. Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha. These are all Pullinga Shabdas. What about Strilinga Shabda? For example, Mala. Mala, Male, Malaha. Mala, Male, Malaha. What about Ikaranta Shabda like Nadi? Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha. Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha. What about the last form that we learned? Vanam. This is the Napumsakalinga. Vanam, Vane, Vanani. Vanam, Vane, Vanani. So these are the Dvivachanas. So I will just show you that one of you can read each of that just to for you to remember, and then we will go to the small exercise. So I've just written that to understand. So Lalita Mahoday, please read the masculine Pullinga words.
Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha.
Read the Pullinga
Hari,
full.
full, okay.
Hmm.
Harihi, Hari, Harayaha.
Hari, Hari.
Okay. Harihi, Hari, Harayaha. Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha.
Samyak. Astu. Shri Ramahodaya, Strilinga words.
Rama, Rame, Ramaha. Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha.
Rohan Mahodaya.
Vanam, Vane, Vanani.
That's all. So only these forms we have learned. So we have learned these forms, right? What are these? These are words. These are nouns. What about I? I, you, he, she, they, it, that. What about all that? Have we learned it? What is what? Huh?
Kutra, Sarvatra, Tatra. That one.
That is everywhere, here, there. That is not what I'm saying. I'm saying nouns. We have talked about list of words, right? But so if I have to talk about Rama, two Rama, many Ramas, I can tell. But what if I have to say he, avan, avargal? I mean he, ye, wo, bolo. So saha is for what? Pullinga.
Pullinga.
Aham and saha is for far away Pullinga. That man.
Yeah.
Yesha is for me. Aham is for me. Now, for example, for aham, if I have to say I, is there aham? What about we too? That also is dvivachana. Na? What about we all? That is no. We haven't learned. We haven't learned that yet. Please don't get confused. We haven't learned that yet. I am just trying to tell you that we have learned those the normal set of noun words, and then we have also learned he, she, it. And close by he, she, it. That's all we have learned. But what about two people there? Those two men, these two men. We have not learned that. That I will show it to you now, but I'm not going to take it now. We'll do it later. See, this is I, you, he, she, it. Okay, so for that, for aham, it will be, what is it? Aham, avam, vayam. So we will come to that. We will come to that. We will finish the exercise for the noun forms, and then we'll come to that. Because now if I tell everything in one go, it is going to be extremely confusing. Okay. So now we will go. Dhruva Mahoday. So you can do the Ramaha, Ramau. We will tell the Bahuvachana also. For two words, okay? Drishe Deva, screen.
Yeah.
Ramaha,
Fine.
Ramo, Ramaha. Is that one? Yes, okay.
Balakaha.
Balakaha, Balakau, Balakaha.
Samyak. Astu. Lalita Mahoday, na? It comes back to Lalita Mahoday.
Mandukaha, Mandukau, Mayuraha, Mayurau.
No, एक निमिषः. Mandukah, one frog. Mandukau, two frogs. Mandukaha, three or more frogs.
Okay. Mandukaha. Okay. Mayuraha, Mayurau, Mayuraha.
Peacock, two peacocks, many peacocks. Yeah, do the next one also.
Harihi, Hari, Harayaha.
Samyak. Astu. Dhanyavadah. Sriramah. Vadatu.
Mayurayah. No. Here you are saying Hariyah.
Yeah, how would I write that? Correct.
Did Dhruva Mahodaya?
Oh. Only E is ending. E Shabda changes to Ayaha. Mayurau. It is not E Shabda. So it should be Mayuraha. Right, Mahodi?
Exactly, you're on the dot, correct. So you say technically we will say akaranta ending shabda, akaranta shabda. Super. Astu. Shri Ram Mahodaya.
Pullinga or Strilinga?
Guruhu. You start with Guruhu and take 2 words or 3 words.
I'm not able to see that actually.
Oh really? How come?
Going below.
Astu, you're saying it's going below.
Oh,
how do I change it? I don't know.
Can reduce the. Now I can see. Guruhu.
Guruhu.
Guravaha.
Guravaha. Astu. Sita.
Sita. Site. Sitaha. Balika. Balike. Balikaha.
Samyak. Rohan Mahodaya.
Mala. Male. Malaha. Janani. Jananya.
Jananyau. It is Ekaranta Strilinga Shabda. So it is Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha. Similarly, Janani, Jananyau,
Jananyaha.
Jananyaha ityukte Arthaha kaha?
Many mothers.
Samyak. 3 or more others. Astu. Nadi.
Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha.
Samyak. Dhruva Mahoday.
Phalam.
Lekini bhavati.
Okay, I too can't see it.
Oh, I don't know how to change it. I really don't know how to change
it. You have to make the resolution a little smaller. Now I can see. Lekhani, Lekhanyau, Lekhanyaha.
Samyak.
Phalam. Phalani.
Samyak.
Mandiram. Mandire. Mandirani.
Samyak. Lalita Mahoday. Dhanyavadah Mahoday. Lalit, are you on mute?
Okay. Okay. Pustakam. Pustake. Pustakam. Pustake. पुस्तक
पुस्त
पुस्तकानि
पुस्तकानि सम्यक्
पुस्तकानि
हम्म।
then okay my god
क्रीडाङ्गणं
क्रीडाङ्गं
क्री-
क्रीडाङ्गे क्रीडाङ्गानि
क्रीडाङ्गणं
क्रीडाङ्गणं
हम्म,
क्रीडाङ्गणं क्रीडाङ्गणं क्रीडाङ्गणानि
क्रीडाङ्गणं क्रीडाङ्गणे क्रीडाङ्गणानि
क्रीडाङ्गणं क्रीडाङ्गणे क्रीडाङ्गणानि
सम्यक् अस्तु श्रीराम महोदय
स्थलं
हम्म,
स्थले स्थलानि. Next is what, ma'am? Sorry.
ज्ञानं
ज्ञानं
हम्म,
ज्ञाने
हम्म,
ज्ञानानि.
अस्तु. So if we say, let's say vimanam, what will be the dual for that?
विमाने विमानानि.
Correct. What is somebody else? Dhruva Mahoday, what will it be for Railyanam again?
रेलयानं रेलयाने रेलयानानि.
Samyak. Okay. What is for Shambhuhu? Lalita Mahoday, Shambhuhu.
शम्भुः शम्भवः
न द्विवचनं वदतु. शम्भुः
शम्भुः no
Shambhuhu, see here. Can you see?
yeah I can see, yeah Rama Ramo Ramaha
Guruhu is Shambhuhu, Shambhu,
Shambhuvah
Shambhavaha.
Shambhavaha
Guruhu, Guru, Guravah.
Guravah
Like that. Shambhuhu, Shambhu,
Shambhavah.
Samyak. Rohan Mahodaya, Vrikshah.
वृक्षः वृक्षौ
Samyak.
वृक्षाः
Vrikshah, Samyak. Then what other word? Churika, Churika. Shri Ram Mahodaya, Churika.
छुरिका छुरिके छुरिकाः.
अर्थः कः?
A knife, 2 knives and 3 or more knives.
सम्यक् अस्तु. ध्रुवा महोदय कूपी.
कूपी कूपे कुप्यां.
न कूपी.
कूपी कूप्यौ कूप्यः.
That is correct, va? Is that correct?
No. Sorry, I'm confused. It's correct, right?
It's correct. I'm confused. Yes.
Koopi Koopyah. Sorry.
So what shabda is it?
It's a bottle strilinga dirgha e.
So ikaranta strilinga shabdah koopi shabdah. Tadeva vadaniyam. Astu. Astu. What else? I can't think of any other word. Let me see. Ekanamsha. Vriddaha. Let's say vriddaha. Whose chance? Rohan Mahodaya. Vriddaha.
वृद्धः वृद्धौ वृद्धाः.
What shabda is it?
स्त्री अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्ग शब्द.
Akaranta pullinga vridda shabdah. That is the vyakarana way of saying it. That's the grammatical way of saying. Balika. Lalita Mahodev. Balika. Oh, it's right there. Doesn't matter. Balika.
I cannot find
very good.
Balika.
That's good.
Balika. Balikau.
Nasti.
Okay, Balike. Balika. Balike. बालिके बालिकोह और के है.
No. What shabda is it?
It is आकारंत स्त्रीलिंग बालिका शब्द है.
सम्यक्. तर्हि बालिका बहुवचनं कः? बहुवचनं किम्?
बालिके.
बहुवचनं, प्लूरल, 3 or more, बहुवचनं.
Oh, बा माला माले माले है.
मालाः.
मा-
माला माले मालाः, रमा रमे रमाः.
बालि बालिकाः.
बालिका बालिके बालिकाः. What about ललिता?
ललिता ललिते ललिताः.
सम्यक्. ललिता ललिते ललिताः. सम्यक्. अस्तु. So this is somewhat clear, right? So can we just quickly, maybe we can read these, taking turns. Shriram Mahodaya.
Eka lekhani,
Hmm.
dve lekhanyav.
So now you remember what we learned in the other class? Do you remember?
Yeah, numbers, no?
Numbers. Oh, this Pooja Mahodaya also was joined. So until 1 to 4, it changes with the linga.
Linga.
Pancha Paryantam from Pancha, it does not change. Any linga we can say Pancha, Shat, Ashtau, doesn't matter. But until so, if I say one boy, how will we say?
Ekah balak.
Balakah. If I say one girl, Rohan Mahodaya.
Ekha balika.
Eka
Eka
balika.
balika.
If I say one letter, Dhruva Mahodaya.
Ek-
Mute मध्ये अस्ति भवती.
एकः शब्दः.
Not no. I meant letter or leaf.
पत्रं.
So
एकं पत्रं.
Correct. So what is for number 2? Anybody remembers? It is dvau dve dve. Ekah ekau eka. I mean ekau, not ekau. Ekah for boy, eka for girl, ekam for napumsakalinga. For dvau, for the number 2, it is dvau dve dve. Trayah tisrah. What is it? Trini. Then chatvarah, chatasrah, chatvari. Have I confused you all enough, or is it clear? It's clear. Okay. So if we have to say two girls, Sriram Mahodaya, 2 girls.
Dve balike.
You have written down everything, huh? Okay, that's good actually to write and remember. Okay. Then if I have to say 3 pens, 3 pens, who will be able to tell me? Rohan Mahodaya can say 3 pens. What is for pen? We start.
Trini lekhani. See.
Please take your time, no problem. Lekhani is Bahuvachane Lekhanyah.
Lekhani.
So Lekhanyah being Strilinga Shabda will take the sound.
Tisraha.
Tisraha Lekhanyah. Samik. Astu. So if I have to say, let's say 4 cycles. Who knows? 4 cycles.
Chatvari.
Cycle, what word is it?
Cycle, I have.
Dvichakrika. Dvichakrika. So then what sound is it? What shabda is it?
E shabda.
Dvichakrika.
Akarantas.
Akaranta. Strilinga Shabdaha.
Dvichakrika Shabdaha. So then it will, what did I say? 4 cycles. No? So it is Chatasraha Dvichakrikaha. Okay. Chatasraha. Any questions? Prashnaha Santi va? Nasti kila. Astu. So we'll just quickly read these PPTs so that way you can, yeah. So, Lalita Mahodaya.
Eka lekani, dve lekanyau.
You understand why it is Lekanyau? Why is it Lekanyau? Because it is Ekaranta Strilinga Shabda. Okay. Now what will be for 3 pens?
Tisra lekan
Tisraha
lek
Lekanya.
tisraha lekanyah.
Samyak. Astu. Sri Ramamaya.
Ekam vimanam, dvai vimane. Dve vimane.
And for 3 planes?
Vimanani. So it will be Trini vimanani.
Yeah, so it's rhyming. It is easy for us to remember. Trini vimanani. Astu. Shrohan Mahodaya.
एकं रेलयानं
Relayanam.
द्वे रेलयाने third one, 3 trains.
Yes.
त्रीणि रेलयानि.
Samyak. Astu. Dhruva Mahodaya.
Ekam yanam, dve yane, त्रीणि यानानि. Yanani. No, how will it go?
Samyak. Trini yanani. All ni. Astu. Lalita Mahodaya.
Ekam griham, dve grihe, trini grihani.
Samyak. Pooja Mahodaya, do you want to try?
Yes.
Ekam
Ekam pustakam, dve pustake.
And 3 books?
Tisra pustake.
Trini pustakani.
Trini pustakani. Ekam pustakam, dve pustake, trini pustakani.
Samyak. Sri Ram Mahodaya, no?
Ekah rishihi, dvau rishihi.
Rishi.
Rishabah.
Rishayah. So it is like Harihi, Hari, Harayah. And for Pullinga, it is going to be Ekah, Dvau, Trayah. So it will be Trayah.
Rishayah.
Samyak. Astu. Rohan Mahodaya.
एकः शिशुः द्वौ शिशु त्रयः शिशु
Say Guruhu Shabdaha. Guruhu.
त्रीणि त्रयः शिशवः.
Shishavaha. Samyak. What is this? This is just pure. Okay, this is just to read, I think. So, who's going to? Dhruva Mahodaya?
Vrukshau.
So how many trees? 2 trees. How will you say?
Dvau vrukshau.
Dvau vrukshau. Lalita Mahodaya, how many leaders?
2 leaders.
Nayakau.
Nayakau, dvau nayakau.
Actually, dvau is not necessary. When we say Nayakau itself, it means there are only 2. Because Nayakau is a Dvivachana Shabda. But just to in case want to emphasize, then you can. But general Nayakau means there are 2. When it ends, Pullinga Shabda ends with au, like Ramaha, Ramaha, it is au. Astu. Sri Ramahodaya.
Vriddhau.
Dvau. So now it is Vriddha Shabda. Then?
Vriddah.
What is the dvivachana?
Riddhi.
Vriddha is Strilinga Shabda, na? What is the dvivachana for that? If there are two old women,
Vriddhe.
Vriddhe. So it will become Dve Vriddhe.
Vriddhe.
Instead of
Vriddhe.
Dvav Vriddhav, it becomes Dve Vriddhe. Dhruva Mohade.
Eka darvi. A darvyau. Darvyau.
And for
Tisaraha, right?
correct.
Yeah.
Tisraha.
Tisraha darvyah.
Tisraha Darvyah. Samyak. Astu. Pooja Mohade.
एका बालिका द्वयि बालिके
Dve Balike.
द्वे बालिके
And three girls, three or more girls. Let's say three girls. So Balika, Balike, Balikaha.
बालिकानि
No,
बालिकाः
no. Because it is
Balikaha.
Aka, Balikaha. And for the word three in Strilinga is Tisraha. Tisraha Balikaha.
चित्रः बालिकाः
We cannot say
चित्रः
Trini.
बालिकाः
Tisraha, correct. Samyak. I hope I'm calling everybody. Yeah? Only 4, 5 are there, but for that itself I'm getting confused. I think it's back to Lalita Mahadu.
एकः बालकः द्वे बालकौ
Nana, Dvau Balakau.
द्वौ बालकौ.
See, it is rhyming. Dvau Balakau, Dve Balike, and Dve Vani. Yeah, correct.
तिस्र
Nana, not Trisra. It is pulling a Shabda. So,
द्वे
Trayaha,
त्रयः
Bala,
बालकाः.
Balakaha. Yeah, Samyak. Can we say let's say, so for pulling a Shabda, for like Ramaha, Rama, Ramaha. So what is it for Krishnaha?
कृष्णः
Krishna, Krishno, Krishna.
Krishna. So then Lalita Mohade, what is for Parnaha? Or Karnaha?
कर्णः कर्णौ कर्णाः.
Karnaha, Sami. So then what is it for Kapihi? Dhruva Mohade, Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda, Kapi Shabda.
Kapihi, kapi, kapya.
Kapihi, Kapi, Kapayaha. Not Kapyaha.
Kapaya, the pa will remain whole.
Kapayaha. Only in Lekani it will become half. Okay.
Or even in Guru, right? The U will go and it will be replaced with Guravaha.
Correct. Yes. So
The
in
U matra will not.
Correct. What is for Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha? I can't think of any other Ukaranta Shabdaha. Yeah, Shishuhu. Shishuhu is there. How will Shishuhu?
Shishu,
Shishuhu.
Shishavaha.
So
the U will.
Yeah. Okay. Rohan Mahodaya, can you say Shishu again?
Shishuhu,
Shishu.
Sishu, Sishuvaha,
Shishavaha.
Sishavaha.
Shishavaha. Shishavaha. What is for Palam, Shri Ramahodaya?
Phalam, phale, phala,
Palani.
phalani.
Palam, Pale, Palani. So you have to keep singing maybe. Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, Harihi, Hari, Harayaha, Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha, Mala, Male, Malaha, Lata, Late, Lataha, Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha, Lekani, Lekanyau, Lekanyaha, Vanam, Vane, Vanani, Palam, Pale, Palani, then it will come. So just for you to get that samskara, I just said that. Okay. So now, okay. So now this with Dvivachana, these words are over. Let's have that. What about, suppose I say, we'll come to how will we say the verbs. Balaha kadati. Balaha or balakaha kadati. Change it to plural.
Balakaha kadanti.
Balaka. So how many boys?
Balaka, 3 or more.
3 or more. Now I have to say 2 boys. How will I say 2 boys?
Dvau,
Balakah.
dvau,
Balak. No, you don't have to
balakau.
say dvav. Balakau.
Balakau.
Ka. What is the ending? Kadatah.
Kadam.
Kadatah. New topic. Kadatah. Balau kadatah. Balakah. Balakah kadati. Balakau kadatah. Balakaha kadanti. Astu.
Can you say
Chat.
it again?
Yeah. Balakaha kadati. One boy is eating. Balakau kadatah. Balaka. Kadatah. Balakaha kadanti. We'll keep repeating this in the over the classes. Just keep listening to the recordings and keep doing the homeworks. It will come.
Ji.
So now if I say Chatraha Patati, one student is studying. Chatraha Patati, Chatrau Patataha, Chatraha Patanti. Okay. Okay. Then what other
Leadati.
yeah, verbs I can, okay, verbs are there in my mind. I'm just thinking about the gender. So if I have to say, so Balika, let's say the girl is Kridati. I will take your example. Balika Kridati, one girl is playing, 2 girls playing will be?
Dve balike.
Balike Kridataha.
Pidataha.
And Balika, Balikaha Kridanti, 3 or more girls are playing. Balika Kridati, Balike Kridataha, Balikaha Kridanti. Is it clear?
So the ending sound doesn't change in Pullinga and Strilinga for the verb.
For the verb it doesn't change.
Understood correctly? Okay.
Yeah. So in most regional languages, that is how it is. Not in Hindi, I guess. But any other Tamil or Malayalam or any other language, I think that is how the ending verb will definitely change based on the number. But Tamil or Malayalam, they don't have dvivachana. We have only singular and plural. But Sanskrit and I think German has dvivachana. I think even one more language has dvivachana. I don't remember. So for that, the ending conjugation will change. So one padikran, this is for the Tamil people knowing. Sorry, please. Oruvan padikran. இருவர்கள் படிக்கிறார்கள் many நிறைய சிறுவர்கள் படிக்கிறார்கள் it changes no படிக்கிறார்கள் படிக்கிறான் that way okay thank you Mahodaya I could help that astu and I don't know your languages I don't know other languages so that's all I know
Hindi. It's okay.
astu so we'll go to the examples okay when we see the examples we'll be able to understand better hold on one second just a second. Okay, so Lalita Mahodaya, first one.
Chatraha patati. Chatraha. Chatraha patati. Chatrau patataha.
So what is the meaning Chatraha patati?
Chatraha.
Student.
Kid, student, okay. Students studying.
So students
studying, students studying.
No, the Chatraha patati is one student is studying. Chatrau patataha. Actually, the whole idea is to show you that here, see, in patati changes to patataha.
Patataha.
When there are 2. My mouse pointer is clear? Can you see my mouse?
Yes.
So when it is singular, it is always the for the third person. For the third person, it is always the when it is singular. When it is dual, it is always taha for the third person. That's the thing. Now for Bahuvachana, for many students, it will be Chatraha Patanti. Astu. Sri Mahodaya.
बालकः पिबति बालकौ पिबतः
बालकाः
बालकाः पिबन्ति
पिबन्ति one boy drinks, two boy drinks, many boys drink. अस्तु ध्रुवा महोदय
छात्रा लिखति छात्रे लिखतः
छात्राः लिखन्ति
छात्राः लिखन्ति
सम्यक् रोहन महोदय
बालिका खादति बालिकाः खादन्ति बालिके खादतः
सम्यक् सो बालिका खादति one girl eats बालिके खादतः two girls eat बालिकाः खादन्ति many girls eat अस्तु धन्यवादः पूजा महोदय
नदी वहति नद्यौ वहतः
and in बहुवचने it will be नद्यः वहन्ति yeah the inti it is ti tah inti ti for singular taha for dual inti for bahuvachana so vahati is flow okay astu
नदी वहति नद्यो वहतः ओके
and nadyah vahanti अस्तु
वहन्ति
ललिता महोदय
फलं पतति फले पततः फलानि पतन्ति
फलानि पतन्ति what is the meaning
I don't know
fruit falls
fruits okay patanti falls okay
patati you understood okay astu the here in the exercise the thing is already given answers but we can read any question till now no question okay
only in one slide Navade. Yeah, it was if you go back to that spoon was shown, no? There you had said dve, the spoon one. Two spoons. This one. This is eka darvi. Dve darvai, davyai or darvyau. Is darvyai?
Yeah, so darvi is what shabda? Strilinga. What sound ending?
Ikaranta Strilinga.
So it is Ikaranta Strilinga darvi shabda. So it is like nadi. Nadi, nadyau, nadyah. So it is darvi, darvyau, darvyah. So darvyau.
Okay.
It is this font is difficult to read, I guess. That's their darvyau.
Okay.
Okay, so now if I say, let's switch off the PowerPoint and we can, or let's see if we can do one slide and for the other slides we can take it as it is. Can we read? Whose turn is it? Sriram Mahodaya only,
yeah. Patati, patatah, patanti. Likhati, likatah, likhanti.
Samyak, astu. Rohan Mahodaya.
Can you zoom little bit? Sorry.
खादति खादतः खादन्ति पिबति पिबतः पिबन्ति
सम्यक् धन्यवादः ध्रुवा महोदय
वहति वहतः वहन्ति पतति पततः पतन्ति
सम्यक् सम्यक् अस्तु so if we have to say boy drinks what it will be ध्रुवा महोदय
बालकः पिबति
And boys, plural, boys drink.
बालकौ पिबतः.
Plural, bahuvachana. Bahuvachane.
बहुवचनं. So बालकौ.
Balakaha.
बहुवचनं. बालकाः पिबन्ति.
सम्यक् अस्तु. ओके. रोहन महोदय.
महोदय,
पठतु भवान्.
my internet connection is weak. I could not hear properly.
अस्तु, can you see? दृश्यते वा?
दृश्यते.
पठतु. पठतु, please read.
दृश्यते where, ma'am? Only गच्छति पश्यति.
No, gachati. Read gachati.
गच्छति गच्छतः गच्छन्ति.
Gachanti.
गच्छन्ति. पश्यति पश्यतः पश्यन्ति.
Samyak astu. So if I have to say the boys see, what will be, how will we change it? Simple only I'm asking. Boys see.
पश्यति.
Balakaha
पश्यतः.
pashyanti. Bahuvachane again. Pashyanti.
बालकः.
Pashyanti. Astu. Then Puja Mahodaya, na? Puja Mahodaya.
वदति वदतः वदन्ति नयति नयतः नयन्ति.
सम्यक्. So अर्थः कः नयति? अर्थः to bring. To bring.
To bring.
So we can say Mata Jalam.
लेना, किसी से लेना.
लेना.
Bring. हाँ, किसी से एक वस्तु लेना. It's called नयति नयतः नयन्ति. मतलब लिया.
ला रहा है. ना ला रहा है. Like that. He's bringing.
लाएगा. Okay.
With whatever little Hindi that I know. He's bringing. Two people are bringing and many are bringing. So if I say Mata Jalam Nayati, meaning mother is bringing water.
Okay.
Like that. Okay. Then teacher speaks. Two teachers are speaking. Who can tell me? Two teachers are speaking. Who wants to try?
शिक्षके
शिक्षिकाः.
What is the word?
शिक्षिका.
Shikshika. So then Shikshika will become in Dvivachana?
शिक्षिके.
Shikshike.
Vadatah.
Shikshike. Vadatah. Then two old people are seeing. Two old men are seeing. How will we say? What is the word?
Vriddau. Pashyatah.
Pashyatah. So let's say two babies are playing or laughing. Laughing is the last word. I don't know if you can see though.
Hasatah.
Yeah, so two babies are laughing. Baby, what is the word?
Shishuka. Shishuko.
No. Guruhu. See, for us, always Guru is there. From that Guru only we will use. So Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha. Shishuhu.
Shishuvaha.
Shishu.
Hasatah.
So you are able to understand what I'm saying. Okay. So and then many children are playing. Many. Now Bahuvachana.
Balakaah. Kritatah. Kritanti.
Kridanti. Balakaah. Kridanti. Samyak. Now, not all verbs will follow the same pattern. Okay. Although it ends with C, these are some different special words which have a little bit different different form. But it will definitely end with taha for dvivachana and inti for bahuvachana. But it will not, like for krinati will not become krinataha. What is the meaning of krinati?
Buy.
To buy. So krinati will not become krinataha. Like pashyati is pashyataha, khadati is khadataha. Like that, there are words which do not fall into that formation. So krinati will become krinitaha and krinanti. Astu. Same for janati. Janati will become janitaha and jananti. So there's a lot of abhyasa required only because we won't remember much. So we have to, and there's no daily interaction with this language. So a lot of abhyasa is necessary. Grinnati will become grinnitaha. Chinoti, chinutaha, shaknoti, shaknutaha, shaknutaha. Astu. So krinati, Dhruva Mahoday, read the first one.
क्रीणाति क्रीणीतः क्रीणन्ति
क्रीणन्ति. Pooja Mahoday.
जानति जानति जानितः जानन्ति
जानति वा जानाति
जानाति
जानाति जानीतः
जानन्ति
अर्थः कः जानाति
it's like it's pronounced like ja, not the.
What is the meaning of the word janati?
I know.
No, correct. Saha janati. If I say Ramaha janati or Saha janati means Rama knows. He knows.
Yes, he knows.
Yeah. So from this janati only jnanam came. The sound of the word jnanam.
Yes, jnana.
Then Lalita Mahoday.
Grinnati, grinnataha,
Grinnitaha.
grinnitaha, grinnanti.
Meaning?
No.
To capture, to take hold of, to keep, to hold. You can say, maybe this is a very wrong example, to catch a thief or
Okay.
to catch something like that.
Okay.
to grab
to grab, yeah, to grab. All those words, all those meanings. Usually there are like many meanings for one word in Sanskrita. Astu. Sriram Mahodaya.
Chinoti, chinutah, chinvanti.
Arthaha?
Chinoti.
To choose, to select. So we go to a shop and we choose a dress, or we write an exam and we like fill in from the multiple options. So then you say chinoti. Although that choose or select. That is when, see, for choo, it is the same. Choose, chinoti. Just to remember and say many things like clue. Astu. Dhruva Mahodaya or Rohan Mahodaya? Who read? Rohan Mahodaya, yeah. Rohan Mahodaya.
Chinoti, chinutah, chinvanti.
Yeah, so that's over, Mahodaya. Atad abhavat.
Shaknoti, shaknoti,
Shaknoti. Shaknutaha.
Shaknuvanti.
Shaknuvanti. Arthaha kaha, what's the meaning?
Suspicion.
No. Shaknoti, possible. Can. I can do this. He can do it. Can. Possibility.
Awesome.
Tattu shaknoti. Saha kartum shaknoti. He can do it. So that is shaknoti. Astu. So we went to, there's more. Astu. Okay, go ahead. Let's read again. Who's turn? Dhruva Mahoday. So these are all these are all different forms. these are all words that do not fit in the exact way. Like pashyati doesn't becomes pashyatah. Here karoti becomes kurutah. Can you see? These are all different forms.
Yeah.
Maybe if you can make like a song out of it, you can remember. Or if you keep reading, you will remember. Some way to remember. Astu. Patatu.
Karoti, kurutah, kurvanti.
Artah kaha.
To do.
To do. Saha karoti. Saha pachanam karoti. He is cooking. You can say pachati itself, but pachanam karoti is he is cooking. Astu. Whose turn is it next?
Lalita.
Lalita Mahodaya.
Shrunoti, Shrunutaha, Shrunvanti.
Shrinvanti. Shru.
Shrunvanti.
Artah kaha.
Okay.
Like, see the shru, no? Shru, the shru, it is to hear. So many times I've asked, Shruyate va? Meaning, can you hear me? So this is Shrunoti, he can hear. Shrunutaha, two people are hearing. Shrinvanti, many people are hearing. So, then Sri Rama Mahodaya va?
Prapnoti, prapnutah, prapnuvanti.
To prapnoti meaning to obtain.
Prapnoti to obtain, to get.
Or to get, correct. Then Rohan Mahodaya.
Dadhati, datatah,
Dattaha.
dattah, dadati.
Dadati. Now can you see what is happening here?
To the
What is different here in Dadati?
That changes.
Dirgham is gone.
That inti is not there. Inti, kurvanti, shrinvanti, prapnuvanti, rudanti, pashyanti, dhavanti. That inti is not there. So it is inti is not there. So here it is dadati. Dadati is ekavachanam. Dadati is bahuvachanam.
what is the meaning of dadati?
To give, danam. Danam solrom illaya, danam. That danam has come from this word only. Dadati, dattaha, dadati, danam. To give. Mastu. Puja Mahodaya.
Karoti.
No,
Kurutah.
asti. No, the last one. Roditi.
Roditi, Ruditah, Rudanti. To cry.
To cry. So directly in Hindi we have no ro means to cry.
Yes. Roditi, Ruditah, Rudanti. I have one question about this dadati. Why it's not why there is no anti?
Actually, yeah, it is a grammar rule actually. Some words will not form in that frame. So what did Panini is the god of grammar, not god. He's a rishi. So the way this grammar has been structured is many people in India or many in other places also were talking Sanskritam fluently. So and there was no grammar script for this. It was just being spoken very well. It is a structured language. So then there is this great Mahan rishi called Panini Maharishi. He has come up with this 4,000 sutras, small lines. Sutra means small lines. In that he explains when you use singular, it has to be pashyati. When it is plural, you have to add inti. The pratyaya inti you have to add. So that he gives a lot of rules. And he did not create these rules. From whatever he has heard, he has formed these rules. So those days they have learned that they have been speaking dadati and dadati. So he has used same into the grammar rules. So that is how it has been used for many years, and that is how Panini Maharaj also has said it, and that's how we have been following. So there is no specific, and there are lots of exceptions you will see, which will not fit into the proper rule. But then those exceptions also will have a proper rule. It is not like English where you can have a rule and then have an unrule and then a rule again for that. So we write but and but and we'll say put and put, no? But and put, same sound, same letters, but the sound is different. But here everything will be structured, everything will have a proper rule, everything. So, I mean, as you learn through the progress, this journey, you will see why it is, how the sutras are made and how the equations come up and all that.
Okay.
No, it's a little early. So it's 9 o'clock. We have covered a lot actually. Do we need to cover the Sarvanama Shabdas also? I'm thinking. So I'll just give a hint about it and then we will close the class. So we say Yeshaha Hastaha. So I'm sorry, we have to do the same thing again today. I wanted to give some variety, but that's not possible. So Yeshaha Hastaha, Saha Hastaha. This is one, this hand, that hand. Hastu. So then Yetau Hastau. Yetau Hastau. What new word am I using?
Etau.
Here.
Etau.
Etau.
Etau Hastau. Tau Hastau. Hastu. Yeshaha Hastaha, Saha Hastaha. Etau Hastau, Tau Hastau. Let's say there are
Plural
many.
form.
Plural form. Yete Hastaha. Te Hastaha.
They are.
Yete, correct. Yete Hastaha, Te Hastaha. Any question till now? Any question? So too many in the one class. I don't know. It's too in depth. So
Etau for that.
Etau is for these two.
Those.
These two.
These.
Etau is for these two male words. Etau. Etau balakau. These two boys. Tau balakau. Those two boys.
Those.
Yeshaha balakaha. This boy.
These. Yes.
Saha balaka. That boy.
That boy.
Etau balakau. Two boys. These two boys. Tau balakau. Those two boys. Yete balakaha. These boys. Te balakaha. Those boys. So I'm just giving an introduction. We will hopefully continue on this next class. Then there is one more. Kaha balakaha. Saha balakaha. Question. We have to ask question also. No. Kaha balakaha. Saha balakaha. Or yeshaha balakaha. Kau balakau. Who two boys? Kau balakau. Tau balakau. Those two boys. Kau balakau. Tau balakau. And ke balakaha. Who boys? Te balakaha. Those boys. So keep hearing it, you will understand. So that is only for what? Pullinga words. Now there is Strilinga and then that's Napumsakalinga also. So for Strilinga, how is it? Yesha. Let's say
Esha Balika.
okay, Esha Balika. So Esha Balika. Sa Balika. This girl, that girl. Now Yete Balike. Two girls, these two girls. Te Balike. Those two girls. Then Sa Te Taha. Etaha Balikaha. Etaha Balikaha. These girls. Taha Balikaha. Those girls. The question. Etaha Chatraha. Then question. Ke Balikaha. Who girls? Ke Balike. Who two girls? Okay, I hope I'm not confusing. I'm just giving a gist. Then again for Napumsakalinga. Strilinga is over. Now we'll go to Napumsakalinga. Napumsakalinga. Etat Upanetram. Etat Upanetram. This is Upanetram. Tat Upanetram. That is a spectacle. Then Ete Upanetre. Ete Upanetre. Two glasses. Te Upanetre. Those two glasses. Etani netra, upanetrani. But the only thing here is, although it seems like, oh my God, it's mostly rhyming. So if you see, etani upanetrani. Yeah. So these many glasses, tani upanetrani, those many glasses, spectacles. Then we have to ask question. Kani upanetrani, which glasses? So what did we learn? Three genders. Three genders. In each gender, near and far by. And in each gender, we have to learn three numbers. One number, two numbers, three numbers, near and far. And then fourth is Prashnavachakam, the question also for that. Singular question, dual question, plural question. So these are all there in today's class slides, but I'm not going to go through it. I think it's a little too much, but I've just given a gist. If you go, after the class, whenever you have time, please you see the slides, listen to the recording, listen, go through the slides, and then you'll feel it'll go inside. Then next class when we talk about it, we can discuss. Please do the homework and do abhyasa. From now it will become a little difficult only. Nastu. Prashna santi va?
I post my homework, but it's not showing over there in that classroom.
You may not be able to see, Mahodaya, but I'm sure the people who have access as teachers should be able to see it. But more than whether we post it or not, no, the homework key we give, you please check your homework with the homework key and match and compare. When you do that, you will have a lot of questions. You can always ask it during the class or WhatsApp group. And we're also going to start Abhyasa Varga very soon, mostly next month, where doubts of questions on homeworks will be cleared by Narayana Mahodaya. So that will also be very helpful.
Mahodaya, I had written to Narayana Mahodaya that slides I am not able to access actually.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. Yeah, I saw your WhatsApp message.
I
And not
given
only
request message, they have not accepted my request also.
yours is for the homework key, no, Mahodaya, Rohan Mahodaya.
No, even for slides.
Oh,
I
I
have
don't
not
know what.
in that Google group is there, no, ma'am, Mahodaya, for getting all the homework answers and all slides. I have requested to join. They have not accepted that request yet.
Okay, I will talk to Narayana Mahodaya. I'll tell him. I don't know. Usually people
It
have.
asks for request access. If you click request access, it doesn't. It has not yet been given. Access has been denied still.
This is for the slides.
Slides. Last 2-3 classes, I wanted to go through the slides.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'll ask him. I don't know what happened. And it's not just one or two people. Lots of people have messaged. So God knows what's happened. It's just happened for the last 2 weeks, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll talk to him again. And then check it.
And this class, today's class slides you will send, no, ma'am?
This will also go into the class notes.
Okay.
And so I'll ask him to give access to this also.
Oh.
You have all the books, no? At least the e-copies.
Yeah.
Usually they.
Books.
Okay. So you keep looking at that and keep doing those exercises.
Okay.
Any other questions? How was today's class? It was a little dry and boring, no? I don't know.
It was not boring, but
Too much to learn.
Too much to learn, correct. Yeah, so from going now, some classes will be easy, but mostly it will become more and more difficult. Until now, it was fairly easy, I feel. Okay, so we will finish the class. And any questions I'll take after that. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ अस्तु धन्यवादः थैंक यू सो मच
धन्यवादः
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 ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
धन्यवादः